Hey guys, glad you could join me today. Starting back on the shelter for the goats. I told you that this was my wife's clothesline until we fenced this in down here. So I'm gonna leave this post in. I'm gonna take these trusses, but I'm gonna take and put these up, level them out. I'm gonna put another post down there on the other end. We'll get these started together. Now I may cut in and out between videos because I have to prop up stuff, this, that, and the other. So if I do, just hang with me there. Well, I guess the goat, I was gonna say the goat ate my level, but no. All right, we're gonna level this up just a little bit. That way we won't have any rain blowing in under it and things like that. Well, I got this one put up and the goats had a fit with the chainsaw, so I let them out, let them graze just a few minutes, and they headed up here to the barn. So we're gonna go ahead and put them up for the night, let you look at where their stall is and how we kind of made a little place for them. I gotta do a pregnancy test before long on Lilo, because I believe she's gonna be with child. And they're going in the wrong spot. The light is, come on, come on. I do them a 15% feed. Couple of days a week, 3 days a week, something like that. Come on, babies. Come on, Bruno. There you go. All right. So they've got like a 12 by 12 here that we keep them in at night. We feed them Bermuda hay over there. I don't have any trouble out of them. They come in here, they lay down, they go to sleep, and 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning, they're ready to get back up. So let's get back down to the other project. By the way, guys, this is something that you can build for your animals or anything right outside. It doesn't have to be elaborate, just something to keep the water off of them. I'm gonna also put tin around the sides of it so the rain won't blow in. Having a small place over here on the south side where they can get in, keep the west wind and the north wind out. Recycle it. It's good for the earth too. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come off. That one's in the ground down there 3 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet. But I'm going to come off from this side and come over probably, let's see where 8 feet comes to. Boy, that's, I'm an inch off. Not bad, huh? So we'll square that up. Like I said, we'll square it up eyeball to eyeball, and we're not gonna put a plumb line or a string to it, anything like that. But I'll put a level on it just to get it right. And this one's gonna sit on top of the ground because that one, like I said, is in the ground. It's not going anywhere. We'll get this one hung on that side over there, and then we'll go forward. Wouldn't you know, I left my screws in the barn. Oh, geez. When it's a one-man operation, you got to do what you got to do to prop stuff up. We call this cribbing on the fire department. I'm not measuring a lot of stuff. I'm eyeballing this. Let's try again. Well, guys, we're just not gonna be able to finish today. The sun's starting to set. Still got one more truss to put up. Y'all have a great weekend. We'll actually be out of town this weekend. We've got to go with our daughter. She has a place to work in Tennessee. But we'll be back on Sunday. But hey, no matter what you're going through, no matter how many trials you're under, remember that God loves you. He loves you so much that he sent his son just for you. And when people start pointing fingers like that, remember, when you point one, you've got 4 pointing back. So God bless you. Have a great weekend.